Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, done and dusted. You know what happened now? I just did a roast dinner, and it was just jerk pork with roast potato, roast parsley, and served with some stir-fried veg. It's an amazing recipe, and I know you guys will love it. Yes. Second thing, look out for Thanksgiving Day roast turkey. We're gonna give that a couple of days time from now. You will see the recipe come up. It's a special way you can do turkey at home in your oven. Come out lovely, nice and juicy. So hopefully you enjoy it. Thank you so much for tuning in and watch my show and subscribe my channel. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming your way. My name is Chef Ricardo and I represent Jamaica. One love. And today, jerk pork with roast parsley and roast potato and veg. Nice. Enjoy it. Come back in the kitchen again and again and again with that lovely jerk pork. I love jerk pork. And you know what I mean, a lot of my friends they love jerk pork, and you know what I mean, I got some pork which I decided to say I'm gonna just do some jerk pork with it. I just wash it off, but look at it. Fresh and nice and clean, really lovely. Anyway, first thing, one white onion. That's the main thing what you wanna do. I wanna put some natural season on it. Alright. One white onion. Cut it up very small. Lovely and nice. I got about 4 pieces of the pork chops, the pork stick, right? Pork chops right there, and 3 cloves of garlic. Let's go into business. 3 cloves of garlic, man. Got that really finely. Some fresh thyme. I got quite a few spring onion. I love spring onion. Nice one. Look that. Beautiful and nice. Mixed herb. A lot of people keep asking me why I put mixed herb in my food. Then I know the mixed herb is really healthy. Oh my god, come on guys. You should know that. Every chef in the world know that mixed herb is healthy. Every chef's supposed to know that one. Alright. Olive oil. About 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And a pinch of black pepper. Not too much. Then we're gonna put some all-purpose season. Roughly a teaspoon of all-purpose season. Lovely. And also we're going to put some everyday season. Jerk season is a must, you know what I mean? You can blend your own jerk season if you like to, but you don't need to stress yourself, you know what I mean? So basically I just buy the one from the local shop. 1, 2. Nice one. Yeah, here it is. Jerk season. Jamaican jerk season. Yeah, this one you can get it in a local shop or supermarket. You can see the way it looking lovely and nice. Yeah, really nice. So that it's so far we have all of those ingredients on it. Make sure you got on the gloves. Then what we're going to do, we're just gonna simply marinate the good trench tan right here. That's what they call it. Alright guys, so let's rub up the season on it. Basically, you can do this from like a day before, get your meat marinated. The only reason why I didn't marinate it 24 hours ago, because I didn't have the pork in my fridge. And I take it out and say I'm gonna do some jerk pork for my fans, you know? But look at this. I got a piece of a greaseproof paper with a piece of greaseproof paper in that oven tray, and I'm gonna simply do it like this. Look at that. Nice. know you guys are gonna love this one. Alright. Then put all of those seasoning on top of it like that. Yeah, that's what I wanna do. Make it cook with the flavor in it. Nice one. Then part 2 now. I'm gonna tell you how you're gonna do it. And this is very important part. Alright? So what you're going to do, as you can see, looking lovely and nice. So you're gonna be placing your oven and gas mark 9 at high temperature. Put it in the middle of the oven and you're gonna bake this in the oven for about 35 minutes the least. If you're using electric oven, it might take the same temperature, 35 minutes. And also that's all you need to do is just get a fork, chicken it until the bone gets soft and until the meat gets soft and tender. That's what you need. Jerk pork in the oven, guys. Very easy recipe I'm giving my fans them, where you can do this one at home. You don't need to worry yourself and stress yourself and have to go outside in the cold weather. You can do this one at home. So hopefully guys like this one, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my show. You can do this and wrap it and put it in your fridge for 12 hours. And then you cook it the next day. You get a lot more flavor and a lot more taste towards it. But this one is just a quick one. Straight in the oven. Done and dusted. Enjoy it. Subscribe, leave your comments below. This is Chef Ricardo on the team. Thank you so much to tune in and watch my show. Oven baked jerk chicken, baked pork. Just take the old pork from the old chincha from the oven. As you can see, yeah man, this is exactly what we are talking about. You saw that look? Looking lovely and nice. Let me turn you over to the other side. You see exactly. Look at that break off. Nice one. So basically, that's the jerk pork in the oven we are talking about at home. You can do the same thing, come out lovely and nice. And hopefully you guys like the recipe. Please subscribe to the channel, leave your comments below. You can serve with some roast potato or some anything in a roast, you can serve it. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team. Stay tuned, we're gonna share it out now and make you guys see exactly what we're talking about. Alright, enjoy it. Nice and lovely. That's the jerk pork right here, guys. Looking so lovely and nice. And hopefully you can enjoy it. So jerk pork served with roast potato and stir fried cabbage recipe. Enjoy it and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments below. And thank you so much for watching my cooking show. Got a lot more ideas and recipe coming your way. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team. And see you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely, guys. Look at the stir fry veg. Serve it the roast. Oh my days, roast pasta, roast potato, and some jerk pork. Yummy. So anyway, enjoy and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments below. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming out for you. As a comments below. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming out for you. As you can see, enjoy it and see you next time. Bye bye.